Hey guys, I'm here to teach you how I do a pompano or riding rig. So, you're gonna have your main line and barrel swivel. Tie that on. I just do simple overhand knot. Do it about 3 times. Make sure that's not going nowhere. Next, we get our leader, which is 10-pound monofilament. I'll be right back with that. Okay, so I got my monofilament leader, 10 pounds. Probably gonna need about a foot or two. So you're gonna tie it on the same way. Simple overhand knot. And if you don't know, you just make a loop. Pass it through the loop one time, tighten it up. Do that about 3 times. You should be set to go. Now these are pompano riding, so you don't need a strong knot to do that. Obviously cut off the tag end, leaving a 1/4 inch. In case if the knot slips. Next, you're gonna need about 3 of these size J hooks. You just pass a line almost all the way through. And yet again, simple overhand knot about 3 times. Now we'll repeat this process for all 3 hooks, and I'll catch you when I'm done with that. Okay, so I'm just doing the last hook right now. Make sure you want to separate the hooks, maybe about like 6 inches apart. More hooks that you put on, the more fish that you're more likely to catch. Okay, now with the access, I just use a 1 ounce egg sinker and just tie that on. And yet again, I just use an overhand knot, about this one, maybe 4 or 5 times. And you're all set. Thank you for watching.